How do you actually mill letters and numbers? It's super easy with G1, G2 and G3. We'll show you using the example CNC 2023. Let's get started. We begin with a C. First, we mill a counterclockwise arc using G3, then a straight line downward with G1, and finally another arc with G3. For the N, we only use G1. First straight up, then diagonally down, and finally straight up again. The second C doesn't start at the top, but at the bottom. That's why we now need G2, a clockwise arc. So, first G2, then G1, like in the first C, and finally another G2. Now for the numbers. The 2 is created by combining arcs in both directions. First a clockwise arc with G2, then a short counterclockwise arc with G3, followed by 2 straight lines with G1. The 0 is milled using alternating motions, straight lines with G1 and clockwise arcs with G2. The second 2 is milled in reverse order. First the straight lines with G1, then the short G2 arc, clockwise, and finally the long G3 arc, counterclockwise. Lastly the 3, 2 arcs with G2, both clockwise. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? With G1, G2 and G3, you can bring text to life in no time. Have fun trying it out.